Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Now you just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After getting done, just close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, select accessibility. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select a keyboard. In here, you just need to turn off these three options, guys. Sneaky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Make sure these three are turned off. After that, just to close stuff here. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. In device manager, you just need to expand the keyboard section and right click on where keyboard driver and select uninstall and select uninstall and uninstall the keyboard driver. After that, select the action tab and select scan for hardware changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these three commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.